Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draft your sleeve. You first place your cap height, which is your bust measurement divided by 12 plus 1 inch. Then I'm also marking my elbow and then my wrist length. I'll be squaring out those lines. Now on my elbow line, I'm just placing half of my elbow circumference, and also on my wrist line, I'm placing half of my wrist measurements, and I'll be connecting that with a straight line. Now on my cap height, I'm going to be dividing my bust measurement by 6 and then plusing it with 1.5 inches. I'll be connecting these points to the elbow. I'm now joining the point I made at the cap height to the cap head. After doing this, you'll find the middle point of this diagonal line and you mark your point. Now I'm also going to be coming up by half an inch and also be coming down from the line by half an inch. So it's like half inch up and half inch down. So now I'm just connecting the sleeve head to the half an inch point upwards and then down to my cap height. This is the back. This is for the back sleeve. And then same thing for the front sleeve. I'm connecting the sleeve head to the half an inch, which is downwards, and also connecting it back to the cap height. So now as you can see me labeling, that's for the back and this is also for the front. You cut this on fold. When you cut it, you cut out the back first, and then when you open it up, you then cut out your front sleeve. Please do not subscribe if you haven't at this point. I make awesome sewing videos and every new video every day.